In this video demonstration, I will be covering the checkout options. The checkout options allow you to create any form element and assign it to a reservation, giving you the ability to gather additional information from your customers. Go to Checkout Options, click on Checkout Items to begin. Click Add New Item, Enable, give it a field name, which you'll be able to identify within the back admin area of the system. I can make the field required by checking this box. The option title is what will be displayed in the front end of the calendar. I can provide a description if I chose by filling in a description field. Next, I get to choose the field type. I have several options. I can create a multiple choice, a single choice, a drop-down, a text, and text area. For this example, I will use the text. Click Save. I want to create one more item, and I want to call this Weight. I could use the same name, make it required, short little description, choose my field type, click Save. The next step is to create the checkout group, where I will assign the checkout items to. Select Checkout Group, click Add New Group, Enable. If I wish to have this information printable within the itineraries, I can click Add Itineraries. If I wish to duplicate this group based on the number of people in the reservation, I will click on Per Person. I want to click on Per Person. I want to give it a group name. Short description. Select my items. Use the right arrow to put the items into the group. Hit Save. Oops, let me correct my typo. Next, in the final step, is to assign this group to their actual reservation. Under Settings, I click Reservation. Select the reservation I wish to apply this to. I want to select the 9 a.m. Segway Tour by clicking on the bar and selecting Edit. Next, I just simply scroll down to the checkout list page and I see my group that I just created. I highlight it, use the arrow, place it into the selected group, hit Save, and that's it. I can go to the front end of the reservation system to view my changes. I will select 2 adults, select my payment, and here you can see the information that I've just created. In addition, you get to see the Per Person feature by having the system duplicated 2 times based on the number of people that I've chosen. If I click Continue, you will see that the fields are required, not allowing the customer to continue. You can create multiple groups for a single reservation. Let me demonstrate. Go back to Checkout Items. I'm going to create one called Comments. It's not going to be required. My field type will be a text area. And I'm going to create one more. Where did you hear about us? My field type will be a drop-down menu, and I will provide the options, one on top of the other. My next step again is going to the groups. I could add this to the existing group that I have, or I can create a new group. Provide a name. Select my items. I want to place the here above the comments, so I use these arrows to place which ones I want on top of one another. Click Save. Next, I go to the reservation I want to add this to. I want to select the 9 a.m. Segway tour that I previously selected. Select my new checkout group. Place it over to the selected items. And I am finished. Going back to the front end of the calendar. And here you can see my group that I just created. And this concludes the checkout options.